Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. Before we dive into today's tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Now let's get started with adding citation and references in Microsoft Word. Let's open up a blank document. Then, let's locate the Reference tab on the ribbon. Click on it to access the Citation and Bibliography tools. To add a citation, place your cursor where you want the citation to appear. Click on the Insert Citation button and select Add New Source. A dialog box will appear where you can enter the details of your source. Select the type of source such as books, journal, article, or website and fill in the relevant information. Let's add a book as an example. After entering the details, click OK. Your citation will appear in the document and the source will be added to your list of references. To manage your sources, click on Manage Sources. Here you can edit, delete, or add new sources to your list. This is especially useful if you are working on large documents with multiple citations. Now, let's add a bibliography to our document. Place your cursor where you want the bibliography to appear, then click on the Bibliography button. You can choose from several pre-formatted options or create your own style. The bibliography will automatically include all the sources you have cited in your document. You can update a bibliography if you add or remove sources by right-clicking on it and selecting Update field. To format your citation and bibliography, go to the References tab and click on Style. You can choose from various citation styles such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Let's switch to MLA style as an example. Word will automatically update your citation and bibliography to match the selected style. This ensures consistency and saves you time formatting each citation manually. And there you have it, a quick guide to adding citation and references in Microsoft Word. By mastering these tools, you can create well-organized and properly cited document with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy typing.